Welcome to a 5-minute session for mental calm and clarity. We will use beats to guide our brain and nervous system to calm down. Before we start, please ensure you are not driving or operating machinery. Now, find a comfortable position and relax. There is nothing to do. Just listen and stay synchronized with the background rhythm. Give yourself permission to relax just for 5 minutes. Don't engage with your thoughts. Just listen. Take a deep breath in and out. Allow yourself to fully relax. Let go. Take a deep breath in and out. Release a little more tension with each exhale. Let go completely and immerse yourself in the rhythm. Take a deep breath in and out. Each silence between beats is a moment of peace. Your moment of peace. Feel your body becoming lighter and your mind clearer. Take a deep breath in and out. Release all tension and immerse yourself in this moment of peace. Allow each silence between beats to resonate deeply within, bringing harmony to your mind and body. You are now fully embraced by the soothing rhythm, finding peace and tranquility within. As this session ends, gently start bringing your awareness back to your body. Take a moment to connect with your entire body. Your mind is calm and clear. When you feel ready, reconnect with the world around you. This is the rhythm you heard at the beginning of this exercise. Notice how it has transformed now, and how your rhythm has adjusted to embrace the calm. Return to this exercise whenever you need it. Thank you. freewillexperience.com